There are a lot of videos how to fix Warhammer 40k flying bases using magnets. Of course, magnetizing your flying bases makes transportation of your minions quite easier. But what to do if you don't have the magnets of a proper size, or even you don't have the magnets at all, or you just don't want to magnetize your flying bases? Let's see. Let me show you how you can fix your flying base solidly using only super glue and simple thing you have at home. To show you how we can fix the base, we will take a Space Marine Primaris Inceptor model. The stuff you'll need: super glue, model drill, model knife, toothpick, drill bit 1mm thickness. The first step, you should take your toothpick and thin it with your model knife. Make a thin 1 cm long little one at the end of your toothpick. The second step is to drill a hole in the transparent miniature holder on your base. Drill it on a depth of 5 to 7 mm. That's enough. The third step, just drill the backpack of the Space Marine Inceptor at the place where you are going to attach the flying base. Cut the small one, take the super glue and glue it inside the drill hole. Wait for 3 minutes and glue your base to the miniature. Now you have a solid connection between your base and your Inceptor or any other flying miniature you have. I hope this video will help you to fix your miniatures easier and better to their bases. Thank you for watching and sharing comments if you know other simple ways of fixing Warhammer 40k flying bases to your minis or any other miniatures. Bye.